Welcome to Sujatha Kitchens. Today I am going to show you how to make beetroot fry. Let's see the ingredients. 4 cups of grated beetroot, and for tempering oil, mustard, jeera, urd dal and the chana dal, the dhania powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 5 green chilli, 5 garlic cloves and the salt to taste, coriander and the curry leaf. First, in a pan we took a half spoon of oil and adding the green chilli. Just fry it little. So now we fried the green chilli. Now we need to make a paste of this. By adding a pinch of salt in this. And a little jeera. Now our green chilli paste is ready, and now we are going to make the paste of garlic cloves and cumin seeds also. Garlic paste also is ready. Next, we are in a pan. We are going to take a oil and add mustard. Cumin seeds. Sorry, we are not going to add the cumin. We add the mustard and the chana dal, urd dal. Next, we are adding garlic paste. Now we are adding the curry leaf. We are adding turmeric powder, a pinch. Next, we are going to add our beetroot. Now once it should be a nice mix, we are going to add dhania powder and a pinch of salt. Cook it for some 5 minutes by closing the lid. Now it was half cooked. We are going to add the green chilli paste. Still it should cook for 5 more minutes. We are closing the lid. Now our beetroot is cooked well. Now our beetroot fry is ready. We are going to take in a serving bowl. Going to garnish with a little cilantro, coriander. This goes good with rice and chapati also. Just try it and enjoy the